Welcome to where MacBooks are born. Today, I'll reveal Apple's manufacturing secrets. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
All right, let's start with this first pallet. All looks in order here.
Specialized quality lab with Apple engineers, sample testing every component batch. Logic boards tested for electrical performance. Automated storage organizing components with Apple's serialization system. Robotic picking systems selecting exact components. Kits assembled for each individual MacBook serial number. Quality control check complete. Approved for mass production.
The first article results are within spec, requesting authorization to proceed.
Looks good. You are authorized to commence production.
Every element is designed for precision, ensuring the quality you expect from Apple.
These voids in the BGA solder are invisible to standard X-ray.
Apple's investment in CT scanning really shows our commitment to quality.
Threat detected, manufacturing IP. Isolate and trace.
Cupertino, we have an active intrusion attempt.
Every MacBook display must be perfect. No compromises. Fix this immediately.
We understand the urgency and are taking immediate corrective action.
Okay, let's run the new optical simulation with these parameters.
The uniformity looks much better on this prototype iteration. Apple's display standards require 98% uniformity across entire panel. Industry leading.
This gap is out of spec.
These units are rejected. Send them back.
Adjusting the Z-axis parameters.
We've isolated the thermal inconsistencies.
It's the paste application, variability between units.
Automated thermal paste application ensures every MacBook has identical thermal performance. Morning, everyone. Please have your biometrics ready. We are looking forward to another productive day manufacturing the latest MacBooks for our customers. Every MacBook entering Apple's comprehensive test chambers, burn-in testing under maximum load, display calibration verification, trackpad force testing.
Here at Quanta Training Center, funded by Apple, you'll learn everything from electronics theory to Apple's exacting. Welcome everyone to this exciting day. We are here to celebrate our partnership with Apple and Quanta Computer. Remember, Apple's reputation is built on perfection. Let's hit those targets and maintain our standard of excellence. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yesterday's MacBook quality data was good, but today's Apple targets are higher. We must uphold Apple standards. Are we committed?
It's the main logic board again.
All right, let's walk through the replacement. I have an authorized part ready.
Just align it gently, like this. Perfect.
We are so proud of this incredible milestone. Congratulations to the entire Quanta team.
Are proud of this. This new fixture I designed dramatically reduces assembly time for the main logic board.
Impressive. The data
I think this is the issue.
Let's try to isolate that module.
Yes, and then we can run diagnostics. Overall MacBook Pro yields are at 98.7%, but we have a new quality alert on the M3 line.
What's the status on the CNC machine calibration?
Now you know MacBook manufacturing secrets. What amazed you? Comment and subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Next, inside iPhone's secret assembly. Then, how Apple Watch is made. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. Turn on notifications at Process Pulse Factory. Comment your requests. New video Tuesday and Friday.